Well, we had a tornado last night, or a monsoon, or a sandstorm slash hurricane, and I mean it ripped everything down. I mean, it tore this place up. I mean, it looks like a bomb. I've got some of it cleaned up, but I mean, it's just fucked up this whole place, man. Shit, look at this, everything just caved in. These damn cats are fucking still. I mean, just blew this place to hell. All this was covered. Broken fucking glass. Oh man, I'm gonna be out here all goddamn day. I gotta rebuild them a damn cat house. Shit. Gotta get this glass up. Damn it. Oh, fuck. Damn, man. Like a bomb hit this motherfucker. Shit, I got shit on the roof. Oh, shit. Had a rough night. Damn. Carpet in the swimming pool. Oh, jeez. Oh my god, look at this shit over here. Carpet over here. Holy shit. How the hell am I gonna get all this shit? What the fuck is this shit doing? A bomb hit this place. Dude, I got rakes in the... Holy shit. Oh, get on. Alright, watch out, watch out, watch out. Watch out. Out of the way. Damn it.